my god, we have to, oops, okay, box. Oh my god. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Holland and Barrett Beauty Advent Calendar. The price for this one is £40 and we have 25 products. 14 of them are full size and we also have 11 minis. In this one we have clean beauty products that are also suitable for vegans. They claim that the overall value is £170 or €200, which is amazing because it is a lot more than what I have paid. In all of my unboxing videos we are giving some stars and we're going to do the same for this one as well. So make sure to stay until the end to see how good this advent calendar is. Before we start, share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. With this advent calendar we have all of the doors out in the open, as you can see, and I'm going to remove this belt that we have. Oops, it smells so nice. And door number 1, I'm gonna say a skincare product, and this is the Rejuvenating Day Cream. It is paraben free to fight the signs of aging in just 14 days for all skin types. Ooh, a lot of claims here. And this is the brand Sukin, Australian and natural. For this one we have 20 milliliters, and this one doesn't say if it has SPF, which is weird for a day cream. Door number 2, okay, here it is. Maybe we have a deodorant. Nope. And we have here the Dead Sea Spa Magic Beauty Balm to provide a light tinted coverage which adapts to your skin tone. So we have a BB cream with SPF 15 and also it says natural. I'm not sure if this is the shade of the product. And I'm very curious to see if it can actually change color. I have another product by Avène that does the same thing. I'm gonna apply just a little bit. It looks like my color. I don't think that this is suitable for deeper complexions. It's not nice that we have a BB cream in an advent calendar. And we have here 15 milliliters. This is also a mini size. We didn't start very well. Door number 3 looks like a lipstick. Oh, it's not. So I'm not sure if I can show you, but behind every door we have like a small message from the advent calendar. It talks to us, and we have here the product Evolve Organic Beauty Hyaluronic Serum 200. This one is for all skin types and it contains hyaluronic acid. It is a 99% natural product. We have 10 milliliters, but maybe this is a full size because with products like this one you don't apply a lot of quantity on your face. Oh, we have a little pump here. I thought it was a mist. Door number 4 is a little bit bigger. This is the Turmeric Argan Oil Body Wash by the brand Ayumi, and I have never heard of this brand. This one is for combination and blemished skin. So I'm not very sure if I can use it. And it contains argan and mandarin oil, turmeric and papaya extract. It is cruelty free and vegan. We have 250 milliliters. This is looking like a full size. So I'm very curious to see the scent of it. Oops. Oh my god, this is the scent of the advent calendar. I think I can smell a little bit of lavender. Lavender, not lavender. Door number 5 looks like a bronzer or even a blush. I was trying to see if we have anything else in here. We have a beautiful mirror. We don't have a cover for this one, but it's very big if you want to have it in your purse. I wasn't expecting products like this one in this advent calendar, but okay. Door number 6. It's not here. This one also looks like a blush. Let's see. This one is the Ethic Bliss Bar. It is a solid face cleanser. By using this one you can save 3 plastic bottles and also 2.7 liters of water. This one is created for normal to dry skin types. Okay, I can use it. If you are a lover of coconut, this face cleanser is for you. I love coconut. And it can remove makeup like a dream. Oh my god, I wanted a product like this one. Sniffing time. It's huge. It has a very light coconutty scent. Not what I expected, but It's not bad. Okay. So let me know your ideas about Christmas videos. Would you like to see maybe a baking video? I would like to try out a recipe that we're doing in Cyprus and Greece, but let me know if you would like to watch this video first and then start filming. Door number 7. Oops. And we have here a product by the brand Natura Siberica, and this is a natural hair mask. This one can repair and protect damaged hair. Yes, I need products like this. Oops. Let's see. Ooh, it has a very nice consistency for a hair mask. Oh my god, it smells amazing. We have 30 milliliters, so this is a sample or a mini size. I would like a full face. Oops, full size. Door number 8. We have a product by Veleda. This is a German brand. This is the Arnica Recuperating Bath Milk. It is soothing and relaxing. We have 50 milliliters and I think this is a full size. This one has a blend of rosemary and lavender essential oils and extracts. This smells fantastic. So I cannot do a warm bath now because my skin is super sensitive. Dry as the desert, but in a few weeks I'm gonna use it. Door number 9 is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna say a brush or a toothbrush. Oh, I was very close. And this is the Ecodenta Certified Organic Antiplake Toothpaste. This one contains coconut oil. It can whiten your teeth, prevent from tartar, and also refresh your breath. It sounds like the perfect toothpaste. It smells like a toothpaste with coconut. It's not bad. This one contains 99% natural ingredients and also it is fluoride free. Number 10 is here. I'm gonna say a lip balm. It's not. Oops. It's big! I thought it would be a very small product. This one is the Organic Guava Replenishing Gel Moisturizer. It contains advanced vitamin C and we have 50 milliliters. I think this is a full size and the brand is Dr. Organic. And ooh, this is the product. This is looking very pretty. It smells amazing. I don't know what is the scent. It is like bubble gum, maybe? I don't think so. The texture is so weird. It is actually a gel moisturizer. Oh, it's so nice. Ooh, day number 11 is hiding something super huge for us. Oh my god. That was deceiving. I think we have 2 products in this one. So we have here the eye shading brush by the brand So Eco. I think I have seen this brand before in stores in London a couple of years ago. Not this year. I have one more brush by this brand because now I remember this handle here and the packaging of it. It says that you can use this to blend eyeshadow. This one looks more like a concealer brush, not an eyeshadow brush. You cannot use it in the crease. And the other product that we got is by the brand Dr. Organic and it is the Ultra Hydrating Moisture Mask. You can use this for dehydrated skin and we have 10 milliliters. Door number 13 and we have like, I don't know. I was gonna say a towel. So this is a headband that you can use while applying your skincare products. I will try again. Fail. I have never tried a headband like this one. I like it. Oh no. No, my hair. Let me know in the comments if you think that this is a filler product or if you like it. Door number 14 looks like a lipstick, but it's not again. And we have here the True Skincare Certified Organic Rehydrating Rosehip and Rosemary Facial Oil. This one is for dehydrated skin as well. We have 10 milliliters, but I don't think this is a mini size. It smells amazing. It is the rosemary. Door number 15. I'm not gonna say a lipstick, I'm gonna say a face serum. Nope. We have here the Vitamin C Lifting Eye Cream by the brand Vita Skin or Vita Skin. This one contains 99% natural ingredients and it is 100% vegan. We have 15 milliliters and this is a full size. So this one looks like a liquid lipstick. It says clean with hot water and soap, not suitable for dishwasher or boiling water. This one is an earbud and it says it is environmentally friendly. I can hear something. It opens like this. I didn't even know that this product exists and it is a little bit rubbery. Let me know if you have tried something similar. Door number 17. This one has the prettiest box ever. It is the Wamisa Organic Flowers Toner Deep Rich. The paper of the box is biodegradable, also recyclable. Ah, la la la. Ooh. So this is the toner. Also the glass bottle is by 25 recycled glass. So it doesn't say if this is for dry skin, dehydrated, oily. Let's continue with this one here in the corner. We have again two products. That's weird. This one is the Guardian Solid Conditioner for normal to dry hair and also the Pinkalicious Solid Shampoo for normal hair. I really like this one, the pink. We have 15 grams of product for each product. What? You understand. 15 grams for each one. These are mini products. It's nice that we have both of them. Up next, door number 19. This one is by the brand Urban Veda. It is a natural skincare product. We have the Reviving Renewal Night Cream. This one contains 20 milliliters and it is a mini size. It has a very nice scent of roses. 20 looks like a lipstick. Nope. This one is by the brand Tisserand and it is a Total Distress Pulse Point Roller Ball. It contains pure essential oils. This one can calm you down. It smells like lavender. Maybe it contains an extract. Finally, I found 21 and it is bigger. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. What happened? I don't think it is the mask from before. Or maybe it is. Okay. We have talked about this one. Let's continue with 22. I'm gonna say a body scrub. Nope. Again. Fail. This is by the brand Amura or Amora. I don't know. And it is the original bath bomb for the shower. The scent of it is rosemary, peppermint and eucalyptus or eucalyptus. Eucalyptus sounds better. We have a little tint box. Oh my god. It was upside down. It smells very, very nice. You can use this while you're taking your shower. So maybe I can use this now. I actually forgot about door 12. So let's go now. Very professional. This one is the Q&A Licorice Lip Oil and it looks like a full size. A lip oil is always useful and I'm guessing that the scent is gonna be very sweet. It's very shiny and I don't smell anything, so that's not always bad. Where is 23? Okay, so it is right up here. Oops. Oh, we also have some coupons here. This one here is by the brand Galine. We have the face vinegar that it can tone, soothe and brighten. It contains prebiotics and postbiotics. Let me know if you have tried again a face vinegar. It sounds weird. 24 here. I'm gonna say again a bronzer, but I don't think that we have a lot of makeup in this advent calendar. This is the Certified Natural Face, Eyes and Neck Mousse. And this is by the brand Kilik, that means pleasant emotional experience. This one is for all skin types and it contains spirulina extract and hyaluronic acid. This product has a very weird texture. It doesn't feel like a mousse, it is like a thick moisturizer. It is almost scentless and the plastic packaging that you see is made by ocean waste plastic. So this is very nice that we have brands like this one. one, door number 25 here. And this one is by the brand Up Circle. It is a face scrub and it is made with repurposed coffee grounds. That's fantastic. We have a citrus blend. It is formulated for dry and dehydrated skin. Oh my god, this is definitely a full size. So it's very nice that we have sustainable products in this advent calendar. It's rating time. For this advent calendar, I like that the packaging is recyclable. The range of products is nice, however a lot of them are for the face, and for this reason I'm taking half a star. We have 3 fillers, 2 single-use products and 11 minis. Most of the mini products contain a lot of quantity to test them out, but not all of them, and for this reason it's gonna lose one more half a star. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4 stars and the overall value is £168, which is a lot. Let me know in the comments your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!